Hello friends, in the last lecture we have discussed about the single shoe brake and double shoe brake, and from today onwards I am going to conduct a lectures on band brake. There are two types of band brake. One is a simple band brake and second is the differential band brake. What is the meaning of band? Band means it is a simple rope or wire which is wounded around a rotating wheel, which is tightened around a rotating wheel. The band brake consisting of, first of all, I am going to show the diagram, then the discussion. This is a simple band brake. This is a lever of a band brake. This is a rotating wheel. This is a fixed point, that is a fulcrum, and this is a band wounded around the wheel like this. There are two types. One is this is the clockwise direction and this is the anti-clockwise direction. Remember this point: for every braking system, effort required in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction is always different. This is a most important point which you have to remember. That means if you are going to apply a force on any vehicle, then what is the rotation, clockwise or anti-clockwise? This should be taken into the considerations. Simple band brake. This is the simple diagram. This is the first pivot point. This is the second moving point. This is the x distance between them. X, this is the L, is the total length of lever, and in this case we have to apply pressure or effort or force in upward direction so that this band gets tightened over the wheel. If I provide a pressure in downward direction, this is a wrong method. That's why you have to remember how to apply effort on which type of a brake. If single shoe brake is there, then we have to apply a force in downward direction. If a single band brake is there, then we have to apply force in upward direction. This is the most important thing. The band brake consisting of rotating brake drum over which a flexible band made up of leather, rope or steel lined with friction material is embraces over a part of circumference. That means a band brake consisting of a rotating drum and one rope that is made up of leather or steel or rope, simple rope, that is wounded around a rotating drum as shown in the figure. The force is applied at the end of lever. A band is pressed against the external surface of drum, which reduces speed of a drum. Therefore, two types of bands of brake. One is the simple and second is the differential. Now we are going to study the simple band brake. This is the diagram of simple band brake. I am just explained now. There is two types. One is the clockwise rotation and second is the anti-clockwise rotation of drum. Now some consideration will take to analyze this type of a braking system. A simple band brake is shown in the figure. In this, one end of the band is attached to the fulcrum while other end is an intermediate point B. The distance is x. What is the distance? This is a distance is assumed as this distance is x. This is the length of lever L. P is the applied force. Now we have taken band. Band means it is a simple one type of a बेल्ट ड्राईव्ह. बेल्ट ड्राईव्हमध्ये काय असतं, त्याच्यामध्ये दोन टाईपचे टेन्शन असतात. एक मॅक्सिमम टेन्शन आणि एक मिनिमम टेन्शन. त्याला आपण T1 T2 म्हणतो, टाईट साईड टेन्शन अँड स्लॅक साईड टेन्शन. ओके, तर तो टाईट साईड आणि स्लॅक साईड कसा आयडेंटिफाय करायचा ते मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करतो. टाईट साईड कसा येईल बघा, ज्या डायरेक्शनला जो रोटेटिंग ड्रम आहे तो पुल करणार आहे तिथं तुमचा काय येईल, टाईट साईड. आता या डायग्राममध्ये जर आपण बघितला, इथं क्लॉकवाईज रोटेशन असं आहे. क्लॉकवाईज मीन्स या एंडला T2 का लिहिलेला आहे, कारण का बँड तिथून आपला काय होतो, रिलीज होतो रोटेटिंग ड्रममधून, आणि जर तुम्ही इकडे आला या पोर्शनमध्ये इथे क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शनला रोटेट होत असताना तो बँड तिकडून टाईट व्हायला स्टार्ट होतो आहे, म्हणून तिकडे T1 आला आणि त्याच्या अपोजिट डायरेक्शनला T2. आणि जर सेकंड इकडे अँटी क्लॉकवाईज घेतला, अँटी क्लॉकवाईजला आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, इकडे हा जो रोटेशन आहे इथे T1 आपल्याला मिळेल, इकडे टाईट साईड मिळेल आणि तिकडं स्लॅक साईड. म्हणजे जसा व्हील तुमचा रोटेट होतो आहे तो त्या बेल्टला ड्रॅग करतो आहे की डिलिव्हर करतो आहे ते चेक करावं लागेल. आता इथं काय करतो आहे, तो ड्रॅग मीन्स पुल करतो आहे म्हणजे टाईट साईड. टाईट साईड कुठे येणार, पुलिंग डायरेक्शनला टाईट साईड येईल आणि त्याच्या अपोजिट डायरेक्शनला स्लॅक साईड. तेच तिथे ॲज्युम केलं आहे. T1 इज इक्वल टू टेन्शन इन टाईट साईड, T2 इज इक्वल टू टेन्शन इन स्लॅक साईड, थीटा इज इक्वल टू अँगल ऑफ लॅप. Angle of lap means this is the total angle of lap. This is the total theta. And theta how to calculate, that we have studied in the belt problems. R is equal to radius of drum, mu is equal to coefficient of friction, P is equal to force, T is equal to thickness of belt, and R is equal to effective radius of drum. Effective radius means R plus T by 2, where R is the radius of drum and T by 2 is the thickness of belt. T is equal to thickness of belt आपण त्याच्यामध्ये घेतोय. हे सिम्पल आपण काय घेतलेत, ॲझम्पशन्स. हे तरी क्लिअर झाला. T1 म्हणजे टाईट साईड टेन्शन, T2 म्हणजे स्लॅक साईड टेन्शन, थीटा मीन्स अँगल ऑफ लॅप, R मीन्स रेडियस ऑफ दॅट रोटेटिंग ड्रम, म्यू यू नो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन, P is equal to force and T is equal to thickness of belt. These are the assumptions made. And next we know that in belt drive T1 by T2 is equal to mu e raised to mu theta. This is a standard formula. We are derived this equation, T1 by T2 is equal to e raised to mu theta. Therefore braking torque TB is equal to, in case of band brake, in case of shoe brake, TB is equal to mu R into Rn. What is the formula? In case of shoe brake, mu Rn into R, where R is equal to radius of drum, mu is equal to coefficient of friction, and R varies in each of the cases. R varies PL upon X plus mu A or PL upon X minus mu A, whatever it may be. But in case of braking torque, in case of simple band brake, is a T1 minus T2 into R. R is equal to radius of drum, or RE is equal to, if consider thickness of belt, then RE is equal to braking torque TB is equal to T1 minus T2 into RE. This is a simple formula. Now consider in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions we are going to take a moment. Suppose this is the clockwise direction, okay. Taking moment at point O, again we are going to take moment at point this O point. This T2 is passes from that point O, therefore moment of T2 is always equal to 0 in case of clockwise direction. And what is the distance? T1 into X, that is in anti-clockwise direction, and P into L, that is in clockwise direction. Therefore on one side you can write T1 into X, and on second side we can write P into L. Okay, taking moment, what is the moment? P into L, this is a clockwise, that means positive, and T1 into X, this is a anti-clockwise, that is negative. P into L is equal to minus T1X, therefore P is equal to T1X upon L. This is our formula in case of clockwise rotation of drum, when P is equal to T1 into X upon L. If I consider anti-clockwise rotation, then T1 becomes 0. See the diagram. In case of anti-clockwise direction, this T1 tension passes from the origin, fulcrum. That means what is the formula? T2 into X, that is in anti-clockwise direction, that is negative, and P into L, that is in clockwise direction, that is positive. That means T2 P into L minus T2 into X, that is anti-clockwise direction. Therefore value of P is equal to T2X upon L. This is the value of effort. That means how much we apply force to stop or to retard the speed of a vehicle. That force is we are going to calculate. मीन्स याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला तो पी आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतो. सेम लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, रोटेशन क्लॉकवाईज आणि अँटी क्लॉकवाईज हे आपण सिम्पल बँड ब्रेक बघितला. तसंच सेम आपल्याला काय बघायचं आहे, नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला डिफरन्शियल बँड ब्रेक स्टडी करायचा आहे. आपण स्टार्टिंगलाच मेन्शन केलं आहे, there are two types of band break. First is the simple band break. We are completed today. In the next lecture I am going to explain what is the differential band break. Simple and differential. ह्याच्यामध्ये पण एकच लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, you must be able to take a moment at point O, that is fixed point O. Thank you.